production volume guidance agent. Production volume is often treated as a capacity issue, but in real manufacturing operations, throughput loss usually happens because execution decision happens too late. Frequency changeovers, bottleneck buildup, and idle line conditions reduce production volume even when enough equipment already exists. This demo shows how the production volume guidance agent helps supervisors make earlier operational decisions during the shift before throughput loss becomes permanent. The agent evaluates real time line utilization, bottleneck buildup, maintenance overlap, and changeover activity to identify execution risk early. The agent recommends delaying the next changeover immediately to stabilize the current production run, and also identifies as high risk because maintenance overlap and shifting demand are creating ideal time risk. The agent recommends reassigning workload to alternate lines before production volume is lost. The system recommends immediate supervisor intervention to stop throughput instability before the shift falls below target. Instead of reacting at the end of the day, the agent helps team intervene while there is still time to protect production volume. The agent also identifies stable production opportunities where throughput can be protected by extending successful runs instead of introducing unnecessary changeovers. The agent recommends extending these production runs to avoid unnecessary downtime and maintain stable throughput. LN006 is also prioritized because demand has increased and the line has enough execution stability to absorb additional workload without disrupting production flow. These recommendation helps the plant increase tons produced per shift without adding new capacity or equipment. By intervening during the shift instead of after throughput loss occurs, the production volume guidance agent improves execution discipline across manufacturing operations. Ideal time decreases, unnecessary changeovers are reduced, and production volume becomes more stable across every shift. This demo shows how operational performance improves when production decisions happen early, while there is still time to protect throughput.